thought you were tall, Jared. Okay, here we are. Where are we, Emin? He doesn't like heights, but he's up here at the top of the CN Tower. He braved it. We're downtown Toronto.
Come on.
It's raining outside, so we're kind of looking in the clouds, but it's a fun ride up.
Be careful, you don't want to fall out the window, Charity.
Is she really going to fall out the window?
No, but
okay.
She can be careful.
Charity.
Are you wanting to jump out or what?
No.
What do you want to do? What do you think, sir? What are you standing on?
Glass.
You're standing on glass at the very top. You're on the glass floor of the CN Tower. Wow. And you're not scared at all?
Walk on it. Not that bad. Oh, wow. How many stories up? 114. Right?
Okay, they're laying on the glass floor at the top of the CN Tower. We're looking down from the sky pod down to the observation deck on the CN Tower. There's what do they call that, Jared? The Toronto Blue Jays, the center. Toronto Blue Jays play there, and then there's the Lake Ontario. Can't really see because it's raining out there, but
The Skywalkers.
those guys down there are hanging off the ledge.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, Joe.
We're up above on the sky pod. They're down on the. What do they call that? Hanging out on the ledge, Skywalkers.
I don't zoom that well here. I just have to change my batteries.
Here's the two Skywalkers. Melissa.